This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. Morning guys, December 14th, 2018. This one here, I got a customer of mine just bought a house and he's got a garage that he wants winterized. So it's got its own water meter and it's over by the street. I call the water department. It's got a separate shutoff for the main. So if he wants me to go there and winterize that, I'm going there now. It's probably just got a little bathroom in there and a sink type of thing. It's like a garage apartment. You know, it's not attached to the house. It's like it's like over by the street and the house is set back quite a ways. So first time doing it. I got Miss Molly back with me today. First time back. She just got operated on. She's just been fixed. So
turn right on Chase Road.
Miss Molly's got stitches, so she's a little tender, and she's kind of just been doing a lot of sleep and hasn't been moving much. So figured bring her to work better than sitting around the couch all day. But I did talk to the doctor about that. He said he had no problem me taking the dog to work. This way I keep an eye on her. But she's doing good. She's not bleeding. The stitches are healing. She's got like 3 stitches on her stomach there. I gotta go back in 10 days get them out. But she's been licking it, but it's not red or nothing. It looks fine. No bleeding, so she's doing okay. She's just been a little droggy.
3.5 miles. Turn right on Russell's Hills Road.
She'll be okay. She's my little buddy. This dog, my best buddy. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there.
Yeah, oh my god. The guy was with us.
There's one there and there's another one here.
I'm surprised.
That's probably the house one. That's probably the one for the garage, I'm thinking.
It's right in that
It's
corner.
right there, yeah. So let's try it. Boy, can't get no better than that. Not digging in the dirt or nothing. Shit, man.
Yesterday down in freaking
Off and I'll see
I was
if
like,
see if it kills
why
the
do
water.
you call after you're digging?
Oh,
Oh, that's good.
that's all right. We'll see if it works. Yeah, probably did it. I don't know. I guess so. We're gonna make sure it doesn't leak by. It's got a water meter under this thing here. A couple of bathrooms. Make sure everything's open. Make sure it shuts off. I got a Simmons valve here. I'll probably go into the outside there. That'd be the thing to do. I got a shitter here. Yeah, be alright. The meter's down under here. So I'll probably do is come in. I don't see where the hot water. There's probably no hot water. Or is there water? I don't see no hot water tank, but there is a hot water line. So we gotta find that hot water tank. I don't see a hot water tank anywhere. Probably in here somewhere. No hot water tank. That's kind of odd. Unless it's up in the attic. I don't see it. Wow. Don't see no hot water tank.
What was this meter? Is it right there?
It's under here.
Oh, it's underneath there, that's right.
It's right there. Get a reading. I don't see no hot water tank. Ain't that a bugger? Oh, here it is, in here. There it's hiding there. Little bugger. Let's make sure that thing works. Make sure it shuts off. I don't want no flipping leaks. Oh, she's still running. I don't know, guy. I don't know if it's gonna shut off. That ain't good. Hey, she's leaking by that outside faucet still. I don't think that shut-off's working. Let's give it a minute, but it should be off by now. Hot water heater. It's already off. I'll shut all the 220s off after anyway, but... Let's, you want to see what I mean? I mean, the thing's running out there, so that means it's not shutting off.
I can try to tweak it. I don't want to break it. I can try to tweak it a little bit.
Well, if it don't shut off, I can't do it, right? Obviously.
What are we gonna do?
I gotta pull the meter out and shut the water off. I mean, if the thing don't shut off, I can't winterize it. I'm liable. You understand? I don't give a shit about this guy. If the thing don't shut off, it don't shut off. Yeah, she's a leaker. See it? You want to give it a second and see if it shuts off or what? Yeah, if the thing don't shut off, it leaks by, it's no good. Would that be a bitch to dig that up, huh?
Do it?
She's still running.
Might be just the water in the house.
But, I don't know, I opened everything up. Flush the toilet. See if it... Gotta be 100% on this shit. I mean, you can't be, just guessing. That is a low spot, but... I guess I could pull this meter. And pull the meter and check it right here. Yeah, I'll pull the meter and we'll check it. Oh yeah, that's my friend Miss Molly. That's my buddy Miss Molly. There's no what?
There's no usage. Do you think they use it? I mean, they flush the toilet once, maybe? Or maybe just pull up the freaking water thing. You know what I'm saying? It's got all those, no fun.
Yeah, it could be there's no usage, huh?
Yeah. No, that was reading. 8. Give me a read of 8.
Reading a what, 8?
8, so it's 5 zeros and an 8. They'll question this too because, you know, everybody has to use millions of gallons of water.
Yeah, sucker's leaking. Yeah, she's leaking by that bitch. I mean, that's no good. See it dripping? That ain't any good. See it licking? I can't winterize it if it's like that. See it leaking? No good. I don't know unless you can shut it off and turn it back on again. I don't know. It's not shutting off.
Trickling by?
Yeah, it's leaking. Not a lot, but enough that it ain't shutting off.
tighten it back up. I'll turn it on and I'll shut it back off again.
Yeah, we'll try it. Try shutting it off and then turn it.
I'll put it back on and I'll shut it back off.
Yeah, we'll try it. See what happens. But if it's like that, I'm not doing it. I'm liable, you know?
Yeah.
That thing drips like that, little constant drip. I mean, that's gonna be under pressure before you know it, right? We'll try it again. Try shutting it off and turning it on. I mean, can't take a chance. He's a leaker. He's a leaker. You need another dog? Like a hole in the head,
That's what I'm saying, yeah.
Well, we can't shut it off. We can't shut it off. I mean,
I can't turn it no more. The meter's still in, right?
yeah, the meter's still in.
Alright, I'm gonna put it back on.
Guys, I had to turn the water back on. I called the guy, told him he's going to replace the valve in the street. He's not going to do it now until the spring. He's going to redo the driveway, he said, so. Can't winterize it, period. I'm not taking a chance. Not on something like that. So I'll leave my slip here and I'm on my way. So there's two, there's a shut off here and there's a shut off there. He's gonna have to dig up this blacktop, change that valve before it can be winterized. Oh yeah, that's my friend. That's Miss Molly, my best buddy. Hey buddy, how's it going, man? Huh? How's Miss Molly? You got sleepies? Huh? You got sleepies? You got sleepies? Come on, push over. Come on, push over. Come on.